Welcome to Acres. I'm Ben from the Customer Success team, and today we're going to walk through using the layer library so you can create custom maps with state, local, and federal data instantly inside of the Acres platform. To begin with, navigate to the Layers section. The layer library is super powerful because it gives you the ability to access our library of data or to add your own data with a simple upload button. If you click Upload, you'll be able to drag and drop any shapefile, GeoJSON, KML or KMZ, or really any geospatial data you want to see on the map. Just give it a name and a category, and it will load it into the system. But for now, let's look what's in the library. What you'll see at the top of your screen is just the most popular layers in our system. Let's take a look at the most popular layer, public lands. I'll click Map It. Instantly, you'll see this data all over the screen. But what does this information tell us? In order to get more detail, click Info. Once you click Info, it's going to load a legend so you can decipher the map and understand what you're looking at. Let's zoom in a little bit closer. As we zoom in, we'll see the distinct polygons overlaid on the parcel map below. We can zoom in and out and observe the different types of land in this dataset. An important part about the layer library is that you can access all the metadata inside of this by simply dragging the table over here. You can see what kind of data and columns might be inside of the data you're viewing. You can also click on any object on the map to get more details. Let's select this one. Here we'll see that this is US Forest Service land. We have some information about the shape of that, as well as regulations related to this area. But let's say the information you're looking for is not at the top of the layer library. What do you do at that point? You can then use the search function. Perhaps you're interested in national transmission lines. Just type transmission, and you'll see transmission lines available in the library. Click Map It, and you'll instantly view all of these lines. You may want to overlap multiple data sets, like substations on top of transmission lines, and you can add that as well. Now we have every substation transmission line in the United States. One important part about the layer library is that you can customize the way that this data looks on the map. To do that, let's return to Info. When you're inside of the Info layer, you can also see that there's an appearance filter. Go into Appearances, and you'll have a custom color selection here where you can change the colors on the map to give you a more graphical representation of the data that you're viewing. Another really important feature of the layer library is the ability to come into the Info section and trim the data set. In this case, we may be interested in using and viewing only a certain part of the data that we're looking at. To do that, simply enter Filters, and then you can choose which column you want to filter for. In this case, you could look for data only a certain city, a certain zip code, or with a certain address. This allows you to shrink the map to be only the most relevant data to your inquiry. The layer library is a powerful tool that allows you to access thousands of data sets in one library, or allows you to upload custom data that we don't currently support inside of Acres. Thanks for watching, and if you have questions or want to dig deeper, our team is here to help. Visit support.acres.com or reach out directly.